Great. A blowout. Now we're going to be late.
Don't panic. We've got plenty of time. So Viv's not expecting us for another half an hour.
I know we have half an hour. But we're going to get all dirty. We're going to get ourselves all messed up changing the tire.
Excuse me? We are going to change the tyre? Are you crazy?
I don't see anybody else around here except us.
So you know how to change a tyre?
Not exactly, but I thought you did. It's not your car.
I have never changed a tyre in my life.
So who's going to do it?
We're going to go down to the main road and we're going to make ourselves look sort of sexy but helpless, you know? And then the first car that comes along driven by a man, he'll stop, jump out and help us. Never failed in a lifetime of motoring.
If you say so.